Ever wondered how people get those perfectly aligned citations in their Google Slides presentations? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a clean professional hanging indent for your references. No confusion, no wasted time. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, just log in with your Google account so you can access your presentations. Once you're on the Slides homepage, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one by clicking Blank Presentation. Now go to the slide where your citation or reference text is located. Highlight the text you want to format. This step is important because the formatting will only apply to the text you select. With the text selected, look toward the top of your screen and click Format. In the drop-down menu, choose Format Options. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen with different settings. In that sidebar, find the section labeled Indentation and click to expand it. You'll see a field specifically called Hanging. This is where the magic happens. Set the value here to 0.5 inches, which is the common standard for citations, but feel free to adjust it based on your style guide or preference. You can either type the number in or use the small arrows to fine-tune it. Once you apply it, your first line will stay where it is, while every line after that shifts slightly to the right. Exactly what a hanging indent should look like. It instantly makes your references look polished and easier to scan. If you have more citations to format, just repeat the same steps with the next section of text. Once you do it once, it becomes second nature. That's all there is to it. A small formatting detail like a hanging indent can make your presentations look more professional and well organized, especially for academic work, business reports, or research slides. If you found this helpful, stick around for more tutorials that make your workflow smoother and your slides stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.